All right, students, I'm back. We're going to go ahead and start a new part. So to do that, we'll go to these three lines, go to my home, or I don't need to go to my home. I've already got it. If you don't, click on home and then you'll see create new. So I'm going to create a new template. Feet and inches. We're going to go ahead and get rid of Yahoo here. And I can tell by looking at part 2 that it is just 1 inch wide, because remember all those little squares on the graph are 1 inch by 1 inch. So it's 1 inch wide, and then it's 4 deep, and then 4 high. So let's go ahead and start with our rectangle tool and start on the origin. Drag, don't click a second time. And it is 1. Again, the dimensions are going right here. So I type in 1, comma, 4, enter. It's very tiny, so we're going to go here to view extends or zoom extends. And now I'm going to zoom this back out. So I'm going to come here, start up high, zoom, pulling it straight down. I'm going to do it again. And then now I'm going to pan this object. So I grab the hand and I'm going to move it on over to right about there. Okay, and now we're going to do the push-pull. So we are going to pull this section up. And I told you it was 4 high, so I'm going to start raising it up. Enter 4. And now I want to orbit this just a little bit. So orbit, and there we go. Now we need to cut a window out right in here. And so to do that, I'm going to go ahead and start another rectangle. And now our rectangles are going to start out maybe with a blue line, but they'll be red rectangles. So I'm going to start on this corner up here, that end point. And I need to make this 4, okay, 4, comma, 1, enter. And now I'm going to start on this corner. And I'm going to go this direction. And this one, we only need to make that one, it needs to be 3, comma, 1, and enter. And now we have a point that we can start to draw our square, or our window. So I'm going to start on this point, and our window is 2, comma, 2, enter. And now I'm going to go to this push-pull tool, and I'm going to push this 1 inch, enter. And now take our eraser tool. Get that on this line, erase, this line, erase, and that line, erase. And there you have it. We are done with object 2. So I'm going to name this. You're going to name yours object 2. I am going to name mine object 2.0. Again, it's going to go in the DM Google SketchUp folder. Let me get rid of my mug over here. Select my folder and select. Now, after it saves, you need to do a screenshot and put that object. Just need to see the object. You need to, so you're going to crop that down. But we're going to go ahead and put that on your slideshow. Good job, and we'll see you on our next videos. All right.